So I went to Lazada and got myself a new charger. And the package arrived today. Okay, so before we start, why don't you hit the thumbs up? And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also you'll see the little notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Hit on it so that every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. So, let's start. So I went to Lazada and got myself a new charger. And the package arrived today. So it just arrived a couple of minutes ago. So let's check it out. Dada? Help, please. Okay. So I ordered 3 items from Lazada. One is the audio splitter and 2 are chargers, one for me and one for my wife. The other one is 2 meters, the other one is 1 meter. Comes from UGreen. Nice box. This one is a 2 meter charger, color black, and this one is a 1 meter charger, color black. It also comes with free cable organizer, cable tie. The box looks nice. It looks very elegant. So it says you can use it for iPhone, iPod, iPod Touch. Check it out. Box looks nice. It looks like braided. It looks more durable than the stock charger cables. So this should be 1 meter. One meter. Okay, so box looks nice, looks elegant. Cable itself looks and feels sturdy. And now let's check out the most important thing, if this will charge. Go. Okay, I forgot to mention, if you're interested with this item, if you want to check it out or buy it, I'll put the link in the description below. So far so good. I hope this charger really is durable. So if you like what you've watched, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also you'll see the little notification bell. Click on it so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So again, thanks for watching. UGreen, I hope you last. Thanks for watching. Bye.